Three, four.
Okie dokie. Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's SUMO call. Today with us we have Ruben, Kiki, and Rowan. For those of you who are watching on Ermo on YouTube, hello, and welcome. Do add your names on the wiki if you watch this or if you watch this afterwards so we know who is watching. Today we are having two topics. One is Ruben and the other one is Kiki. Ruben is going to talk very quickly about a survey, not a survey, like a coding help he's asking for from people. And Ruben, the floor is yours.
Yeah, hello everyone. So one of the things that I wanted to mention today is a topic that I created on this course and that we will link on the meeting notes and also post it on the LTNM contributors forum. But basically it's a challenge around visualizing some data. So basically the problem that is present right now is that Kitsune internal dashboards, and you probably have realized not all of them are really working well or at all. And basically, it's difficult to get a visualization about how are we doing in terms of community health, in terms of localization, uh, coverage. Basically, there are some APIs that expose some of this information, and so what I'm proposing with this challenge is that if someone is interested in playing with the data and create a quick visualization with the latest data, I put a proposal there and basically trying to understand how are we doing in our locales, in especially in Firefox desktop, but also on the mobile products like Android, iOS, and Firefox Lite. Uh, there are links to the public API in this blog post, sorry, in this discourse topic. Let me know if you have any questions over there, and yeah, feel free to hack the data.
Cool. Thank you very much, Ruben. There is a link there. Feel free to reach out to Ruben if you have any questions. The more help we get on understanding the data, it's welcome. So thank you very much. I know some people already started to play around, so thanks to those people who have already did. And if you're interested on play with data, and if you're interested to see some Kitsune stuff, go ahead and click the link on the wiki. With that note, I see that Bala came also in the meeting, so hello, Bala. And I am gonna give the floor to Kiki. She's gonna talk about some add-ons blogging.
Yeah, so thank you, Constantina. Let me just remind you about the add-on blocking that happened only yesterday. So some of you might remember that we blocked like a number of add-ons in the last couple of weeks ago, and now we're also blocks more add-ons, like 17, around 17 add-ons were blocked yesterday, and it will affect 75K users. So that is a kind of huge number. You can also follow the bug. I put the link in the wiki page. And yeah, just expect some maybe complaint or issue from users around that, which I already see in the in the Twitter tool.
Thank you very much, Kiki. Does anybody want to add anything on that? So if you see anything, just letting you know that it's a common practice to do so if we see some add-ons misbehaving. So that's not something unusual as Kiki suggested, but if you see anything on social about it, just letting you know that this is a decision from Mozilla. On that note, I also see that Kiki has talked about the absolute forum canned responses. There is a conversation in our contribution forums about some absolute canned responses, and Kiki would like to speak a little bit about it.
Yeah, there's a conversation about putting out some the obsolete canned response that we have in the forum. And Michael and Alice, I guess, is working on figuring out which responses were obsolete and maybe figure out and trying to put it out from the canned response that we have in the forum. And I'm also watching the thread so that I can also update the canned response that we have in the reply tool. Oh, I remember also about the add-on. I also add one canned response in the response to, in the reply tool. So if you're facing one issue about that, feel free to refer to the canned response in the social tool, or just ping me if you're not sure or if you don't have the access to the canned response in the reply tool. And I will also update the canned response in the forum as well, so that you can also see that if you don't have the access in the reply tool.
Cool. Thank you very much, Kiki. That's the end of the news we had to share. I am wondering if oh, sorry, Kiki.
Yes.
Did I forget something?
Yeah, actually, I add the contributors section of the week, if you'd like to speak about that.
Yeah, so Kiki has added some contributors of the week, and I am sorry I didn't see that because I went straight down. So we have Emma, TweetTech, and Andrei Pechu for their active contribution and social support. For you, for those of you that are doing social, you have most probably seen them replying a lot of tweets and helping us out. So thank you very much to both of those users for helping us with replying to other users in social. We really appreciate it. And we have a hello to newcomers in this contribution forum. We have Victor, Otter Groove, David, Musankar, and Samantha. Hello and welcome to the SUMO Nation. We're very happy that you're here. I think Kiki has already reached out, and if you have any questions, we are here, and you can play around a little bit on the forums and also on social. Kiki has shared how to start, and if you need any help, do PM us. We are on IRC, we are on Telegram, we are on emails and everywhere. You can also PM us on the forums, and we are very happy to help. Ruben as well, by the way, he is doing all the knowledge-based localization stuff. So if you are interested on localizing in our support articles, Ruben is your guy. If you are more a forum social person, Kiki and I will be able to help you. All right, I didn't forget anything else. I didn't. Okie dokie, I would like to open the floor. Roland, Bala, if you want to say anything else. Otherwise, I will let this go earlier.
Nope, nothing to say. Pretty quiet week on the product front.
Roland is happy, no fires, so he can sleep safely. And he doesn't worry and run around with fires on his hands. I'm kidding, he doesn't. Okie dokie, thank you very much all for being here. Thank you, Luis, again for helping us from the Ermo side. And see you all next week. Bye.